Hi, today I'm going to discuss how to excel in the hiring process when choosing a nearshore software development partner. Make sure that the nearshore development team adheres to data security standards and complies with relevant regulatory requirements. This is especially important if your project involves sensitive or regulated data. Evaluate the nearshore location's technology infrastructure, including internet connectivity, hardware, and software capabilities. A reliable technology infrastructure is essential for seamless collaboration. Make sure they have solid expertise in technologies relevant to your project. Analyze past experience, portfolios, and certifications to ensure the team can deliver quality solutions. Ask the nearshore development provider for references and case studies. Talk to their previous clients to gain insight into their performance, reliability, and overall experience working with them. Ask about the nearshore team's disaster recovery and contingency plans. Knowing how they handle unexpected situations or crises can give you confidence in their ability to keep the project on track. Effective communication plays a critical role in the success of any software development project. Make sure the nearshore partner has an efficient communication infrastructure, including regular meetings, transparent status reports, and clear communication skills in your preferred language. Well, I hope these tips can help you and your company make the best decision when choosing your strategic technology partner. Until next time.